Hi, Bill Gaw here, and I'm here to answer the question being asked around the world. Why do most lean initiatives fail to meet expectations? A while back, the Aberdeen Group published their Lean Benchmark Report. Here's their most important finding. Companies that have achieved operational excellence through the deployment of a lean strategy share this important characteristic. Dedication to basics, such as streamlining processes, creating a well-ordered work environment, and ongoing continuous improvement programs such as Kaizen. And here is the Aberdeen Group's conclusion. Best-in-class companies tackle lean by mastering the basics. So the word is out. It's the basics, friend. Henry Ford and his manufacturing basics. Henry Ford first introduced manufacturing basics at his River Rouge operation in 1920. Using these basics as a basis for his production line concept, the Model T Ford plant was able to go from receipt of iron ore to casting the engine block and to shipment of the machined engine block in a final assembled car in an astonishing 48 hours. Now that's lean. Vince Lombardi and his football basics. Many years ago, Vince Lombardi led the Green Bay Packer football team to unprecedented success by having an obsessive focus on applying the basics of football. It's amazing how many individuals and companies have great visions yet fail to achieve their full growth and earning potentials. They're a lot like the Green Bay Packers football team before the arrival of Vince Lombardi. All the potential in the world, but with not enough focus on executing the basics of their business and their profession. Best-in-class companies tackle lean by mastering the basics. I realize the word basics is not very sexy, but it is a very important thing to understand. The fact is, business basics, the things that serve as a solid foundation for growing and enduring success, have not changed since before I was born, and they won't change after your dust. It's tempting to think that they do, that the introduction of computerized systems like enterprise resource planning, customer relations management, and Six Sigma can change the basics. We understand the temptation. I can only caution against it. Mastering the business basics of what has worked in the past establishes the foundation needed to successfully implement and optimize the change initiatives of today and tomorrow. Best of all, work becomes fun again. Here's 5 reasons why 80% of lean initiatives fail to meet expectations. Reason number 1 for a lean initiative failure is not enough planning. It's not an add water and stir initiative. You can't just decide one day to become lean and think it will happen overnight. You need to determine what constraints are impeding your ability to increase speed, improve quality, and eliminate non-value added activities. And finally, a tactical plan needs to be developed to provide the roadmap to optimize the execution of the plan. Reason number 2 is lack of understanding and support for the company's lean initiative. Unless all employees participating in the lean transformation are convinced that their commitment and efforts are important to its success, improvements will not be expectations. Reason number 3 is poor preparation. Even with the best plan, successful implementation will be evasive if there is not a genuine commitment to employee training, multifunctional self-direct work team development, and empowerment. Reason number 4 would be the failure to establish goals and expectations, track daily, weekly progress, and carry out corrective actions if and when required. Determining motivational performance metrics and establishing key performance indicators to track performance is paramount to achieving positive, sustainable lean initiative results. Reason number 5 is lack of leadership. Successful lean manufacturing implementation requires lean manufacturing champions. Now that we have identified them, how do we eliminate the 5 reasons why lean initiatives fail to meet expectations? Hi, Bill Gaw here. Thanks for taking the time to view my video. For more than 15 years, our 1,500 plus customers have looked to Business Basics as a trusted developer of lean manufacturing training materials, seminars, and workshops. Our manufacturing knowledge and implementation know-how has helped hundreds of individuals and companies exceed their goals and expectations. If you're interested in launching, optimizing, and/or re-energizing your lean manufacturing initiative, I encourage you to visit our website at bbasicsllc.com. Here you'll find the answers to the 5 reasons why lean initiatives fail to meet expectations, and my Back to Basics training options that eliminate them. So take another 5 minutes and simply copy this URL, paste it into your browser, and click on Go. And I'll meet you there.